name is Bryn and I am coming to you from wigstudio1.com. If you see a Jon Renau piece that you like, you can use the promo code JR30 and receive 30% off when Jon Renau is allowing their sales. On our other pieces, if you use Beautiful You, you'll receive 30% off at checkout. We also have a Facebook group. It is called Wig Studio 1 Wig and Topper Support Group. We have over 4,700 ladies dealing with hair loss or hair thinning for many different reasons, trichotillomania, from chemo, from heredity, whatever the case may be. We would love to have y'all there. I'm coming to you with a wig review on Jon Renau's Elle in 32F. And this piece, to me, if you're looking for something low density, easy, mono top, lace front, this is your piece. She is from their Smartlace collection. She has a lace front. It is welded, and if you choose to cut the lace, Jon Renau wants you to use these scissors. They're pinking shears, and they're theirs, Jon Renau brand, and it helps prevent fraying. That's if you choose to do it. You do not have to cut the lace. I do because I like it. It looks better for myself. But for you, you might not need to. She has velvet ear tabs, and they have the metal stays inside. She is open wefted with a nice stretch. She has Velcro adjusters. When you find your spot, don't keep undoing them because you will weaken your Velcro. She has velvet at the nape, but it is not an extended nape. 100% hand-tied mono top, which means you can part her any direction. This color is 32F, and it is gorgeous. It is a dark cherry brown base mixed with bright copper, dark rust, and gold blonde highlights. And I will take y'all outside to see this in natural lighting as well. Okay, let's put her on. She's so easy. Let me do a spin for you. I think this piece would be really cute cut into a lob. I think she would be cute to be stacked in the back and then come down at an angle. You can pull her off the face and style her. You could pull her back here. I think she's pretty versatile. Let me show you her lace front. No permatease, just very, very realistic. My head is 21 inches around, and from here to here is 8, and my neck is 4. So let me give you her measurements. Her bang is 13.5. The crown is 14. The sides are 10, and the nape is 6.5, and she weighs 4.3 ounces. With her having this mono top, you can part her to the right, to the left, or in the middle, and You could also put a full fringe if that's what you prefer. If you see that she starts falling in your face, you can get a Jon Renau steamer and steam her off the face, and that will help. She's so, so pretty. Okay, let's go look at her in natural lighting. Hi guys, look at this color out here. She is beautiful. Let me see if I can turn. I love the different colors out here. She is stunning. I think it's one of my new favorite colors. I hope this helped.